Michael still a pop Pree same way. Another time I do out and I give a take.
Feel me heart hurt me.
This a blood clot torture, never surgery.
People, I saw the war start, you know. Jahshii send Dan Pree for murder Silk Boss. And me I tell you, him really murder him. All of that and more after this.
Alright, feel me heart hurt me. Yo dog, right now me say me need a surgery. See Pree, you know see a blood clot rocky road, me I go through no fucking idiot for my bum buckle out live.
I talk about fox, get your fox right. Remember see the old car at the stoplight. Pull up, black right. Back flight, first nation outside and you can't hide.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your BL fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So me dark and evil. Boy violate my rough line like eagle. Don't fuck around man, presidentials and a big body girl about the 3 points anyway.
So people, before we go into the review, we want to talk about this song entitled Portland Sickhead, featuring HS, Chop Skull, Sing J and Poil Child. And me not tell no lie, the song is bad. Not because of me and Chop Skull produce it, make it bad. And not because of me shoot the music video and edit it, make it bad. It just bad naturally.
From boy for dead, me not fi send for no driver. Gonna the passenger, recipe on the window. Shell the scavenger, right at the light post in my blaze sinker.
And just as the name suggests, Portland Sickhead. Yes, people, alone Portland artists in this. Some want to give that one a strength. And remember, it is produced by Murray Music and Chop Skull Records.
Barrel a spin like fan blade. My badness real and a max pain. Shot in your head, pussy hole and a flat bread. Mission complete, so you know say my God paid.
People, may I leave a link in the comment section. As I say, just go and go check it out and give me your honest feedback on the whole project. Alright?
No try for this, boy, no try for this. Gun lift up, gun play, no child gimmicks.
And we full of sunshine in clip. Boy dead when I visit. Portland.
Dear mama, are your last boy Leonard this? Me just a check for save everything I had, Chris.
Dancehall legend Merciless has died. Dancehall DJ Merciless, born Leonard Bartley, was found dead on Tuesday afternoon, police have confirmed. The entertainer's body was found at a motel off Beachwood Avenue in Kingston. A representative of the hotel confirmed that the entertainer was found dead in his room by a staff member. The representative said Bartley had checked in the hotel alone. According to media reports, the dancehall veteran had complained about him not feeling well. Merciless, who celebrated his 51st birthday on July the 1st, was known for songs including Lead Out Me Mercy, Mr. Woodini, Mama Cooking, Nana Sense Bruce, and The Letter.
30 years see a gun that you no heard of. Me woulda get less time if I murder. Me tell them me never know the pin file down. So
Bounty Killer shared the last moment he spent with Merciless. He posted this clip with the caption, "Few months ago, at sat the shift with the dog a whole of vibes. Condolences to his family and friends." Popular media personality Kashima Francis also posted this about Merciless on her Instagram. R.I.P. Merciless. Just 2 weeks ago on the E-Buzz, Merciless was excited about his upcoming album that was slated for release this year. He also shared 3 most memorable musical clash moments.
Me have 3 nice memorable moments, you know. With me and Bounty and Ninja and Beanie. Right. Then and the night they right now the belt underneath Mama Echo Hanger, the Miami Sting 2002.
Right.
With me and Bounty only when my son was 5.
Yeah, man.
There is a video circulating on social media where Merciless can be seen laying in the hotel, lifeless. People, you know, say Chaddy TV nah go share that. You see me? And more than want to tell the people themselves, just stop circulate videos like those. You know what I mean? My condolence goes out to the legend Merciless himself. The promoters of Sumfest dropped this photo and asked, guess who? I guess they must say is a guest artist I go perform at Reggae Sumfest. The first time I saw the pic, that come to my mind. You see me? And people, it look like Popcaan. A matter of fact, I'm certain say a Popcaan, and I'm going to show you why in a few minutes. And Popcaan feel like say a Popcaan too. Popcaan commented under that and said, "Wanna stop BBC ramp with me, cause me nah perform and no Sumfest. Unruly fest me know." And people, if you look closely at those photographs, you can definitely see say are the same thing. You see me? So I don't know if Sumfest wanted Popcaan to be a guest artist, but Poppy make Joe and scatter no straight. Say him no depend where them depend. And an unruly fest him thing there. So people, Jahshii approved the war. So we can look out for a diss track aimed at Silk Boss anytime soon. And why me say this? Because Jahshii a support Dan Pree. Even though Dan Pree a First Nation artist said we. Some would say Jahshii send out one I'm soldier them for murder Silk Boss. So when the song dropped, a social media user commented and said this: "Hello, me still want your answer him. Don't disappoint me, please. Don't be the bigger person," with a bugger exclamation and a laughing face. Jahshii replied in his story with one of them emoji the way I say, "What really go on?" I don't know what you call that. And put a laugh face and said, "Somebody explain." After that, Jahshii posted a preview of Dan Pree's song entitled "Check Your Facts," which is a diss track aimed at Silk Boss. So people, you know, say Jahshii well in tune with the war.
No, remember me have my own ear glass of gold. A real gold up on my glass, and say your mouth think like swine, but it and get him a talk to some.
After that, Jahshii posted a snippet of the full song and said, "Might as well me DJ at Dan Pree, First Nation, check your facts out now."
See me heart hurt me.
This a blood clot torture, never surgery. Jahshii say fi kill you off, fi make it worse.
Me not tell a lie, people. Dan Pree really deal with the track just how me expect him to deal with the track. A matter of fact, I saw me expect Silk Boss did to deal with the first track. Not go in soft like that, brother. That no make it. People, we are gonna look at some of Dan Pree punchline. Even though, disclaimer, every line is a punchline. So just pick out some of the best line.
Hold on. And get him a talk to some. I'm for same girl more things like swine. First Nation, I want to bat him out.
Alright, that was the intro. And Dan Pree got straight violence. People, wanna remember when Silk Boss talk about the rocky road in the old in the car where it might be nice, but he must say a rocky road in the pan, but yet still the people might look out the door and that not look like rocky road, it look like in the city here, I don't know. But in other life there, him did say Pree mouth smell like swine body. So right there and then, Dan Pree attack him and I say, "Yo, oh, you say your woman mouth smell like swine body. That mean you have a batty mouth." And that's not it.
Where him name, grow and read. Now one no make him like him low pan weed. Now hear him from a day like him a choke pan breed. Watch him.
People, me telling you said this is clash. You hear what I say? We not hear him from what day. It look like say him a choke pan breed. And I wonder if I panty him a try put over Jahshii, him a choke pan. Jaja, that's not it. But me not tell a lie still. Dan Pree, I deal with the track like how Silk Boss did for deal with the first track. And me I go forever say that. Remember, you know, the song just start and a 2-punch that. And I still think I can review the full song. Me only really review the punches them. So on to the next punchline.
And the fans them a tell me for killer now. Do not remember buck up on a rocky road.
People, them a go kill Silk Boss with a rocky road. Something there. Yo, me say the one life come like it mash up the man career. Jahshii, you see how much ammunition the one life get. And them thing you know what? We never go black this so. I could move on.
Michael still a pop Pree same way. Another time I do out and I give you a take.
See me heart hurt me.
This a blood clot torture, never surgery.
Then a true, who name Michael? Jahshii. Then when Silk Boss hear this, and no more than phone him a go mash up.
So people, Silk mash up my phone.
Jahshii. God go with she.
Who know why hear Fox, then check your Fox. Rewind everything where you walk. I bet say she tell us if he clash. And you go fuck with some youth when a regular.
Jahshii. People, me not go review no more of that song. Yeah? Me go left a link in the comment section or in the description when you can go listen it to yourself. And make him know say Chaddy Murray TV send you over there. That song is too bad. You see me? Don't Pree, check your facts. People, do remember to check out the other link in the description. And when I say other link, check out Portland Sickhead by HS, Sing J, Trap Skull, and Poil Child. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way or the wrong way, my gone.
So me dark and evil. Boy violate more fly like eagle. Don't fuck around man, presidentials and a big body girl about the 3 point.